Hi, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to enable WhatsApp with a virtual number. First of all, we need to have a number purchased from Tokat. Let's go here to the virtual numbers, and there we find, in this case, we're going to try with a number we got for Canada. It's very important that this number is enabled for WhatsApp or is a mobile number. For this, we install WhatsApp Business on our phone and go through the process as we normally would. First of all, we select the country for the number we're going to use. In this case, it's going to be Canada. We enter the number and continue with the usual process. At this point, WhatsApp, as always, will try to send a text message. We follow the process as it's laid out. But since this phone doesn't have the SIM card registered, the message won't arrive. As we can see down here, after a while, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, it will enable the option for verification by call. After that time has passed, we can request the call. In this case, we're going to receive the virtual number through Tokat. Here it is ringing.
Your WhatsApp verification code. Press 1. To receive your WhatsApp verification code, press 1. Your verification code is 614939. Your verification code is 614939.
Then, the number that WhatsApp just dictated to us over the phone. After hanging up the call, we proceed to enter it into our device. With this, we will be enabling WhatsApp on a phone that doesn't have a SIM card and with a virtual number. We can then seamlessly continue with the comprehensive WhatsApp business setup process, exactly as we would normally do. As we can clearly see, the line is now fully and completely active. Now let's see how we can activate a channel in Tokat with our new virtual WhatsApp number. We will go to Channels, then click on the option for a new channel. Next, we will carefully enter the specific phone number, specifically the virtual number that we currently possess. Following that, we will assign a suitable and descriptive name to it. If we want, we can import the contacts, but in this case we won't do it, and then we click Accept and Connect. At this point, a process will run that will generate a QR code for us to scan with the device where we enabled the WhatsApp number. We go into the device, click on the options, go to Link Devices or DEVIC, and enable the camera to scan the QR code that Tokat shows us. With this, we will have connected our WhatsApp device and our WhatsApp line to Tokat. We will now give this device a specific name, which in this particular case will be our virtual WhatsApp line within Tokat, and subsequently, our line will become active and fully operational both on the mobile device itself and within the Tokat channel. This will then allow us to immediately begin utilizing all the comprehensive Tokat integration services with your existing WhatsApp number.